So I think the most exciting thing that's being updated at recent congresses about new data for myeloma therapies is around immunotherapeutic approaches. So we have data for bispecific antibody therapies, for antibody drug conjugate therapies, and for CAR T therapies. All of these are different ways of harnessing the patient's immune system to target the myeloma cells, and they're showing really exciting results in terms of high response rates for patients who've had many previous lines of therapy and have sadly become resistant to the treatments that they've had so far. So I think we're working hard to try and make sure that trials that we design as academics are going to produce results that will enable these treatments to be adopted more widely throughout Europe and be available to as many patients as possible.